Can you guess what it is? This one. Guess what this one is? So this is the second thing when you open the, just like a booklet or a note saying thank you for being part of the Boss and Bloom community. Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support you are showing me. For the new subscribers and the new people that are joining in, you are welcome. You mean everything and a lot to my channel and a lot to me. Thank you for your support. I had told you about the second package that was to come from YouTube. It arrived and I have it here. This times this is how it was the package looks like, and in it I have some very amazing things. This is the whole thing, the package, and I have amazing things inside, some of which you might know now that I'm revealing to you. This is the whole package. This is the whole package that came, and once you open it, this is the first thing you come across. Ooh, I don't really know what this one is or what it is used for. Maybe you can tell me. You can tell me down on the comments. Maybe it's not what I'm thinking it is. Wow, so this is the first thing. Second thing is, or rather the should be the opposite. So this is the second thing when you open the, just like a booklet or a note saying thank you for being part of the Boss and Bloom community. Up here is Boss and Bloom. We are storytellers. Hey, I am a storyteller. Black. So this blah blah blah. Then here down the continue. I have to continue the conversation. You have to continue the conversation. Whew. It feels good. It really feels good to have a gift from YouTube. Now this being my work or the thing I like or I love doing. For me, it feels good and it really means a lot to me. Ooh. So this is the first thing. The second thing is, what can I go to? This is the other thing. Lucius Touch Carrier Oil. Carrier Oil Olive Extra Virgin. So this is it. Wow. So this is the second thing, and for external use, keep from shooting conduct of any two ingredients between the The second thing, I don't really have much to talk about that. This is the other thing. I guess it's a candle thing, right? It comes in a very good and very good shaped tin. I think these are some home decorations, things to decorate the house. Then there is this. The other thing, is this for? I guess it can work, right? So this is the other one. So don't mind this. It was something to make it stick on the box. or in the box so that it cannot move while the transfer is being done. And the other thing is this, the hand cream. YouTube wants me to keep good, keep clean, keep energetic, and natural life. Some amazing things are these. Lavender, blah blah blah. That is that number. Then we have these ones, the candle. I guess these are candles that comes in different colors and different shapes. There was another one. Here's another one. The smell. Wow. Where can I go? Where can I go? Oops. There is a pot. Can I say not really a pot, but some? I can say it's a vessel. So this is how it came. And this one is I guess it's for decoration purpose. So you put some flowers, or you can use it for anything. It has some soil and some stones where you can put whatever you want, you like. And I have a book or a diary, Unlocking Self-Love by Muthoni Njomba. I guess the poem or the writing were from Muthoni. This is how it looks. The writings, a self-love journal prompts. Oh, some encouraging things. Why do you think self-love is well? Some encouraging questions and answers where you can go for, you can research, you can do anything about it. So I love this. So definitely this one is a journal book where I'll be writing what I feel like, how I feel like, self-love and anything and everything. So just a book. Not that I love writing, like anything, literally I write everything, whether in my phone book, or whether any paper, I have to journal like everything. It is important. So when you like doing something like this, like journaling everything, in 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, you'll find yourself like you've written half of your life or all of your life. And I have the last thing here. Can you guess what it is? This one. Guess what this one is, and this is how it is. This is the last gift in this box. So it is hot cocoa, classic smooth velvety chocolate, fine ground craft hot chocolate, gluten free, vegan, dairy free, blah blah blah. So this one is definitely for making tea, where you just some direction in a saucepan and 220 ml of milk of a medium heat until the milk comes to a simmer. Whisk 2 heaped teaspoon of the chocolate bar. Can you hear it? I feel like I don't know if they guessed or they imagined or what happened. I love milk tea, or I love tea. Me being a lawyer, I love tea very, very much. So, and when I saw this one, I felt like we are connected. Whoever sent this, thank you. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the whole package. Then this one also came, but it came with some cookies inside. I already ate them. Yeah. So I ate them already. Lemon white chocolate shortbreads. Shortbread. I feel good. I feel good. Yes, I feel good. I feel good about this because just like in my first video, I'll say this again. I started YouTube as my archive place, and it grew. And if I can receive gifts, then this one tells me like my work is being noticed. My work and my effort does not go to waste. And this one is encouraging me a lot because I will never stop. I'll never stop posting. I'll never stop doing and creating content. So I think I made the right choice. I made the right choice. I made the right decision for creating and building up and stitching up and stitching together contents. Whew, this is amazing. This is very amazing. And thank you to everyone. Thank you to YouTube community. Thank you to my supporters, my subscribers. Much love, Maze. Much love. I salute everyone. I salute all of you. Without further ado, stay tuned for amazing contents. Stay tuned for pranks, unboxing, everything, storytelling, just as my profile or my about channel says. I have amazing and very good stuffs for you. Until then, I have nothing else to say. So this one has come to an end. And yeah, boom, boom, boom. Comment, like, subscribe for more contents.